So I was just playing with my sewing machine and I just want to make some stylish design with thread. So I fixed four thread on a single sewing machine and passing the thread into the needle became stressful. Then I discovered a way and I said I must share that way with you in case you want to use more than two or three threads on your sewing machine. So what you're going to do is separate the thread. So mine here is four, so I separated them into two. So I first of all fixed two thread, then the second two. So this is me fixing the second two. So to put the second two thread into the needle, now I'm going to raise the first one up, then try to put the second two from behind, from under the first two thread I pass in. So this four thread in a single needle. You can still put more, so let me just show you that I can still add more. So I'm going to add a single thread to it, and to do that I'll raise everything that I've inserted into the sewing and into the needle before. I'll raise it up, then pass the new thread now from under, from beneath the existing one. Then it will definitely go into the um machine needle. So don't forget to download this Typeit app. This is Typeit. It's an application designed for fashion designer. With Typeit you can save measurements and customers on your device. You know it is better to retain your customers than getting new ones. So you can save measurement by clicking new customers. You can save male customer and female customer. This is on female, and if I put it here, this is for male customer. So first thing, decide if you want to save measurements in inches or in centimeters. So let me just say inches. Then put the customer's name, the customer's phone number. If you want to indicate that this phone number is on WhatsApp, then you should click this button here. And for WhatsApp you should add and the phone number with the country code. The country code for Nigeria is +234, and for Ghana +233. So just use your country code, then impute the body measurement. We have the all the upper body measurements here, and also all the lower body measurements here. And after that, you can add picture, you can upload picture, or just save it without picture. Coming here, you can also add orders. By adding orders, you're able to track how your business is doing. So you're able to see your total revenue and have a summary of how income comes to your business. Then you can also send invoice to your customer, reminding them about your pending payments. So yeah, even from the home screen, you can see Stybit is telling me that I have four orders we overdue in 48 hours. You have two pending payments and you got zero new customer in the last 24 hours. You can also do more with Stybit by inviting people to Stybit. You can come here on the more button here, click on invite a friend, and generate a unique link for yourself. Share it with your friends, and once they download the application with your link, you get to earn pro points. And with that pro points, you can do more. You can register your business. Just click on the link in the comment section of this post, or in the description box, or also in my bio, to download the Stybit app and join the digital fashion designer today.